Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? This is Abhijit here, and welcome to Devops Challenge Hub. So let's start with today's interview question. And today we have miscellaneous questions on EC2 configuration management. Configuration management. The first question is: can we change the type of EC2 instance? Let's say you are running on T2 micro, and you want to change the instance type to C5 X large. So can you do that? The answer is yes, you can do that. So first you have to stop the instance, and after stopping the instance, you can go to actions, instance settings, and click on change instance type. And then you can select different type. Currently, I have selected to micro, but I can change it to something else. So it's doable. It's possible that you can change the instance type. Now, next question is how do you automate EC2 instance creation? So you automate EC2 instance creation using AWS command line, AWS EC2 run instance, or SDK. You can use it. If you want to run it in a script, you can do that. How do you create custom AMI from EC2 instance? It's the same, like I think I have shown this in the previous one of the videos. So you can click on actions and then image and template and then click on create image and you will be able to create AMI. And what then next question is what is the difference between on-demand, reserve, and spot instance? On-demand means pay per hour or per second without any commitment. So that's on-demand. Reserve means you commit for 1 to 3 years, but it will be at a lower cost. And spot, you're buying unused capacity at discounted rate, but there's no guarantee that it will be able to run it for the whole day today. So AWS will give a notification and it can terminate the instance anytime they want when the demand will increase. You can use this not for the user customer facing, you can use it for some batch job running or some calculation you want to do at the back end. At night time you want to run some job, some calculation, some research what you are doing on this. You are running some job that you can do it on the spot instance. It's much cheaper. Most expensive will be on demand. Cheaper, little cheaper than comparatively cheaper than on demand will be reserved, and spot is much cheaper. What is EC2 Hibernate and when would you use it? EC2 Hibernate, it saves in memory, saves the in-memory RAM to disk when stopping the instance. So when you stop the instance, you can save, it can save the whatever there in the memory, it will save in the disk. So when you launch the instance, all the application, it can start very quickly. So when you're launching instance, you can select that Hibernate. Search for Hibernate. I think somewhere in advanced settings, advanced details. Okay, I think it's somewhere in the advanced details I've seen that. So there you just enable that Hibernate. Okay, I think it can again. Uh, advanced, yeah, Hibernate. Yeah, stop Hibernate behavior. So you can enable this one. Enable and disable option is that you can enable or disable. So EC2 Hibernate saves the in-memory RAM state to disk when stopping the instance. On disk, it restores the RAM, preserving application and session. Use it for faster startup and resume work quickly. Ideal for long-running process, development environments, and pre-warmed instances. So for faster startup, resume work quickly, you can do that. How to do that? You have to go to we have to choose the supported instance, and not all instances will be having this EBS backroot volume and enable hibernation. Okay, let's go to the quiz section. What is the EC2 use? What is EC2 user data primarily used for? EC2 user data, you have seen this at the end. This is the user data. When we launch instance, we can provide EC2 user data. Here we can attach some script, etc., which can do some action while starting up, right? So Monitoring incident, no. Storing logs, no. Running startup script during instance launch. So this is the answer. Running startup script during launch. You can do it. You can choose file, you can choose the state. So this is called user data, easy to user data. Right answer is C. What happens when you hibernate an EC2 instance? Here, as we have seen, that RAM contents are saved to disk and restored on start. RAM contents are saved to disk and restored on start. So you will have faster start, restart, faster start of the application. Okay, so correct answer is B. So hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow Devops Challenge. We have LinkedIn page. There I organize quiz and contests daily. And please follow my WhatsApp channel, Devops Challenge, for more such updates. And thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.